I have this Cabot stain and know just the project to use it for. I'm going to beautify my front yard to create a functional and aesthetically appealing gathering place for the family. My first step starts with a trip to the local hardware store. Before I begin, I want to make sure I have all the necessary materials and tools ready. I start by cutting the lumber to the desired dimensions for the planter. I'll need panels for the sides, front, back, as well as pieces for the legs that will allow me to make it strong and durable. My trick is to use different sizes of wood to give the planters a really nice visual, something to stand out from regular planters. Once I have all the pieces cut out, I'll assemble the planter boxes using wood glue and brad nails. In less than an hour, the glue is going to dry and make this planter super strong. Once I have the planters assembled, the most important step is to make sure I think long term. Protecting my new project from the sun and weather is important. I start by stirring the Cabbat semi-transparent stain and sealer in the new color Cedar, but not shaking it. This keeps bubbles from forming and keeps the color uniform throughout the can. I do apply with a brush, but don't worry. It won't show brush marks, but will give me a long-lasting protection that resists fading. One of the best parts is it is a one-coat application. No need for a second or a third coat. Also, its oil-based performance really sets it apart from other stains, while also being available in 100 different colors. I'm also able to give the wood a nice, rich color while protecting the wood from moisture and sunlight. Just look at how even and nice the stain goes on. Once the stain dries in a well-ventilated area, I was amazed at how beautiful they turned out. The way I designed the planters allows me to use different sizes of pots for putting in either flowers or plants. The Cabot stain and sealer really brought out the beauty of the wood and made these planters look outstanding. But I realized I had some leftover stain. That's when I decided to take the project to the next level. What better way to enhance these amazing planters than to find a way to relax and enjoy them up close? I decided to then build a simplistic bench, one that is strong but also matched the style of the planters. I didn't want to detract from the planters themselves, but made the bench an enhancement. I again applied a nice coat of the Cabot semi-transparent stain and sealer, making sure to use a good quality brush. I then took this new bench I built and secured it to the sides of the planter. Now that my DIY front yard planter bench is complete and looking stunning with the Cabot stain, it's time to imagine the joy it will bring to my family and visitors. I've created not just a planter bench, but a centerpiece for the front yard that will be cherished by the family for years to come. With Cabot long-lasting protection, this bench will last for many years, and maybe long enough not just to watch the kids gather, but someday even grandkids. Thanks to Cabot for sponsoring this video and allowing us to enjoy the tranquility and beauty of our new outdoor oasis.